new product that I am going to be reviewing for you. It is the new Yes To Super Blueberries. Before we get started, if you haven't already, make sure you go down and you subscribe and you turn the notification bell on so you can be notified whenever I come out with a new video. And you can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Rebecca Christine Makeup, as well as Snapchat and Twitter at Rebecca Makeup 10. Alright you guys, let's get into it. So, I'm sure you guys have seen if you go to Ulta and you look in their skincare aisle that they have a big selection of like Yes To tomatoes and things of that sort. Well, they came out with a new one and I'm so excited to try it. I have the Yes To Super Blueberries. This is going to be for stressed skin. It's skin recharging. This is a recharging Greek yogurt and probiotics sleepy mask. Now, obviously, if you can see out the window behind me, it is not nighttime, so I am not going to be wearing this overnight, just because of being able to film, and my husband's going to be home. I'm going to have to do this during the day, so I'm going to put this on and let it sit for a few hours, and I will come back and give you my final opinion on it. Yes To Super Blueberries and Greek yogurt with probiotics to supercharge your skin overnight. Hashtag I woke up like this. I am obsessed with anything berries. Blueberries, raspberries are my absolute favorite, like absolute favorite. So let me just scoot you guys in and show you what this bottle actually looks like. This is what the bottle looks like. But let me show you guys this applicator because this is pretty cool. And this is the applicator. It's a nice and soft brush. So let's go ahead and read what the directions on this bad boy says. You remove the cap to unlock the tube. You gently squeeze tube until a pea-sized droplet of formula becomes visible on the tip of the brush applicator. Use the soft, super brush to apply and blend the mask onto your face until it is absorbed. Screw the cap back on to lock the brush. So that's all you gotta do. So let's scooch in closer. So you squeeze until a droplet is available on the top. Oh, it smells so good. It actually smells like a blueberry and like a lemon mixture. So good smelling though. And it just comes out white, looks like a moisturizer. It's not going to turn you into looking like a blueberry or anything, if you can see that, if it's in focus at all. But let's try this out. Okay, so it is fully on my skin and absorbed right off the bat. I don't smell too much blueberry, surprisingly, since the Yes To products usually have a very strong scent of what they're supposed to smell like. This kind of has more like a hint of a blueberry with a very strong lemon scent to it, kind of like a blueberry lemon pie type of thing, if you know what I'm talking about. But it's very lightweight on the skin and it's feeling very, very refreshing right now. My skin, just after that little bit of just putting it on, is already starting to feel moisturized, so that is a good sign. I'm getting high hopes for this bad boy. Let's see. I didn't tell you guys some of these ingredients, so let's see. The first one mentioned water. That's a good sign because we all need some extra water in our skin. There is shea butter, wheat almond oil, there's olive fruit oil, cocoa seed butter, blueberry fruit extract, there's cocoa seed butter, lactose, milk protein. Obviously, it's going to have some type of milk in it, because it does say it's a Greek yogurt mask, so it's going to have milk in there, guys. But, I mean, most of these, it does have some phenethyl alcohol and xanthan gum. It does say that it is included with a fragrance, so for those of you that are super sensitive to fragrances, just keep a lookout on that. Or if you are lactose intolerant, you may not want to put on your skin either, because it's going to be absorbed and you might still have the same problems. These ingredients are pretty understandable. They're not using a lot of the big words that you're like, what the hell is that? I don't know what it is, but you look at it and you're like, oh, okay, I know exactly what I'm putting in my skin. So if you're anything like me, I'm like, yes, I want to know what I'm putting in my skin, right? Oh, so it does say natural 95% ingredients. So that's a great sign for me. And who doesn't love masks where you don't have to get your hands all dirty and gross and disgusting and covered in it and have to wash it? This is a mess-free application because it has a nice little applicator for it. So that is another positive for me. My skin is just already starting to feel better. It feels more awake. I literally just woke up like not even an hour ago, so it definitely feels like it's waking up my skin. I don't want to touch and feel my skin and tell you exactly what it feels to the fingers because I want this to have the full effect and work, but after I let it sit in for a few hours, I will kind of give you a check to see if my skin feels like it's softy, creamy, smooth, or if it doesn't work at all and I feel rough and like I'm breaking out, which, I mean, if you guys can't tell, I already have some blemishes and I think I've narrowed down where they're coming from. I have been using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation and it was wonderful, but I ran out. So I had to go back to one of my old foundations, and that was the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, and I started getting blemishes again. So I think, because anyways, if you smell that one, it has like a lot of strong alcohol smell to it. So I'm thinking it's just too rough for my skin. I've been trying to figure out where they're coming from, and that's where I think they are. But anyway, so I'm going to leave this on for a few hours, let my camera charge before it dies on me again, and I will be back to you guys in a little bit with my final opinion. Okay, you guys, so it is 4:49 now, and I applied everything at about 11 this morning, so it was on for a good several hours, and I would tell you, it does leave like a little bit of a layer on your face, but not in a bad way, not like it's overwhelming or uncomfortable. It does feel almost like it's a little bit oily, but not really like if you put straight oil on your face. Kind of more like you put a serum on top of your face before you do your makeup, if you get what I'm saying. But my skin feels so good. It feels so smooth. There was like a couple hours in there that I could still smell it. Like that smell of it lasts a long time. So if you're sensitive to smells, keep that in mind because it is a bit of a strong smell. But there was also some times in there that it felt like it was almost tightening up, like underneath my eyes, to the side of my face, like my cheeks. It felt like it was doing some firming action, which I absolutely love. Like I said though, it does feel like it kind of leaves a little bit of a layer on your face. And I had to go to work tonight, so I had to get my face put on. So I went ahead and washed it all off my face, because I mean, if you're going to leave it on overnight, when you wake up in the morning, one of the first things you're going to do anyways is go wash your face. So I washed it, and I moisturized it, and I put makeup on, and I hate to say it, I really feel like I'm having a pretty good makeup day. My skin feels great. It feels so soft and smooth, and it definitely feels like it's tightened a bit. I definitely 100% love this product. I'm probably going to keep putting some on every night. It's just, there's so many good things about this product that I think it is worth the money. And yes, $15.99 is a bit up there. You know, Ulta puts out coupons all the time. You can get these products for much, much cheaper. A lot of those coupons, they say, you know, $3.50 or $5 off, $15 or more. This is $15.99 without tax, so you can easily get $5 or $3.50 off of this. So just keep an eye out and go sign up, and you can get these products for so much cheaper at such a good deal. I absolutely love this. Like I said though, I didn't really smell too much of a blueberry scent to it. The way it came off to me was like a blueberry with like a lemon zest type of smell to it. For some reason, I smell more lemon to it, and there is no lemon from what I can tell in the ingredients. So I don't know why, but that's the way it comes off to me. But this product just, it feels so good. My skin feels like it's been so much moisturized. Like, I absolutely love this. And this was also one of my first Yes To products I have ever tried. So now I'm definitely curious about the line, and I definitely want to keep checking this out. But for those of you that get really stressed skin, very dull, just need some extra moisture in your face, this is definitely something I will recommend. It is going to be feeling so good on your skin afterwards. It is so completely worth it. But anyways, if you like this video, make sure you go down and you give me a big thumbs up, and you subscribe and turn your notification bell on so you can be notified whenever I come out with a new video. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Rebecca Christine Makeup, as well as Snapchat and Twitter at Rebecca Makeup 10. And if there's any products that you guys want to see in any of my future videos, make sure you comment them down below so I know. And I will do what I can to check them out for you guys. But I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. It means the world to me. And I will catch you all in my next video. Bye, guys.